I know.
Miss. It's not acceptable. The law requires that you...
You're going to jail. Get out of the car.
Oh, no.
Out of the car.
Get on the ground.
Ow!
Stop resisting.
Ow! Stop resisting. I can't.
These Karens vary in age, but they all share one thing in common: a defiant attitude and the belief that they stand above the law. But the moment police step in, the facade shatters and reality hits harder than they ever expected. Let's watch times when drunk entitled Karens mock the police until reality hits hard. Support us with a like and subscribe. There's plenty more to come. You're probably used to seeing the younger Karens, but this one is a whole different story.
Out of the car.
Oh, no.
Out of the car.
Resisting. I can't.
Car.
Oh my God.
Give me your hands.
Oh my God. Oh, you're...
On July 10th, 2025, police spotted a car blatantly running a stop sign. When stopped, the elderly female driver gave a series of bizarre responses and refused to cooperate, escalating the situation to the point where officers had to pull her out of the vehicle. Here is how everything unfolded.
My name's Officer DeLeon with the Malvern Beach Police Department. Just like to let you know that this traffic stop is being audio and video recorded, okay? The reason for the stop is just because of your incomplete stop during the stop sign at Ocean and Pine, okay? You just kind of stopped right in the middle of the intersection after you've already passed the stop sign and the stop bar. You stopped in the middle of the intersection and then you proceeded to go, okay? You have your driver's license on you? Okay. You don't have your driver's license? Do you have a driver's license? Yes. Yes? Is it valid? It is valid. Are you the registered owner of the vehicle? I'm sorry?
Despite the officer clearly explaining the reason for the stop, the driver refused to open the door, showed open defiance, and began accusing the police of bothering her for no valid reason.
Ma'am, you gotta speak up. I can't hear you very well.
Because I don't think it's necessary to travel in my car.
You don't think you need a driver's license to drive your car? What does that mean? Who's the registered owner of this vehicle? Do you have the registration for your vehicle? I don't need to see the registration for your vehicle. Why do you think that I don't need to see it?
Because what you're doing is illegal. I am traveling in my car.
You ran a stop sign.
I didn't run a stop sign. I stopped.
In the middle of the intersection after you've already ran the stop sign.
No.
Okay. Do you have insurance?
Is that on video?
No, I don't. Do you have insurance? Okay. So you're driving a motor vehicle in the state of Florida. Okay. You're required to have a driver's license. You're required to show proof of insurance.
Are you under the oath?
Yes, I have my identification. 344. So what is the status of your driver's license?
So, and I would like to know what caused,
10-4, may I have another unit? Violation.
I'm telling you that I am a real person with real arms and legs.
Right.
I'm not a corporation. I'm not the person on my identification.
Okay, but in the state of Florida, you have to have a valid driver's license. Yes, I am.
Do you realize that what you're doing right now is harassment?
No, what I'm doing right now is a legal traffic stop based off of a violation that I observed.
I am not.
So, do you have a driver's license? You don't have a driver's license? Okay.
She insisted she was merely traveling and used that excuse to avoid providing any vehicle documents, even accusing the officers of harassment, forcing police to call for backup as the situation escalated immediately.
Okay, so what I'm going to ask you to do is step out of the car.
Why?
Because I'm asking you to step out of the car. It's a lawful order. Because you're not cooperating with my traffic stop.
What's up?
I'm going to have her step out.
All right, step out. Step out.
She doesn't want to provide any information.
Step out.
Are you going to kidnap me?
Yep.
You going to put me kidnap?
Get out of the jail. Get out of the car. You're going to jail. You're going to jail. Get out of the car.
Oh, no.
Get out of the car.
Oh, hold on.
Get out of the car.
Help!
Get out of the car.
Help!
Go on your ground.
Get on the ground.
Help!
Stop resisting.
Help! Help! Stop resisting. I can't.
Car.
Oh my God.
Give me your hands.
Oh my God. Oh, you're hurting me.
Well, stop resisting. Stop
I
resisting.
gotta get up. It's hot. It's hot.
Well, then
It's
stop
hot.
resisting. We'll get you off the ground. How about that?
Good job, Ted.
The second officer was indeed strict, pulling her out of the car without hesitation, but even after being handcuffed, the woman kept thrashing around and yelling for help, trying to draw attention as if she were the one being mistreated.
10, 15.
I'm
Got her.
running on the concrete.
We're going to get you up in a second.
You're all 10, Dad, you got out of the car like she asked you to?
Hold on, trying to lock it.
Up on your knees.
My glasses. I can't see without my glasses.
We'll get them for you in a minute.
Stand up.
I thought about that before you resisted.
Stand up.
Get up.
I can't.
Stand up.
I can't.
Why can't you?
Because I'm very weak.
Okay. One leg at a time, okay?
Oh my God. I can't.
Come on, stand up.
I can't. It's burning me.
Well,
Well, then
get
you
up.
stand up.
Step up. 1, 2, 3. Walk.
I need my phone. I need my phone.
All right, look
I
at
need
it.
to search her.
Search it.
Help! I'm being kidnapped! Okay, my feet are burning. Can I have my shoes?
You'll have your shoes in a second.
I feel bad.
Listen, next time an officer orders you out of the vehicle, you're required to get out. Do you
You
understand?
don't really have the right to
Yeah,
get my
yeah, we do.
I'm gonna need your
I'm
ID.
the corporal. I'm the supervisor. Case law says Pennsylvania versus Mims. All right, have a seat. Now you got a resistance charge.
How do I have a resistance?
Yep, you didn't get out of the car.
Clearly, everything would have been much easier if she had cooperated from the start, because after searching the vehicle, officers confirmed she actually had a valid driver's license, only her insurance had expired. From a minor violation, she ended up creating a whole chain of additional charges for herself simply because of her resistance.
So he has her insurance card, registration.
So the registration on your vehicle is expired, and you have a valid driver's license. So I don't understand what all the fuss is about. The vehicle was expired back in September of last year, so it's not registered. She's got a valid driver's license.
Yeah, but the expired tag, no insurance.
Yeah. It expired in September 2024. Anyway, I'm gonna take her
She
now.
might be 29. So I'll double check that.
Hey, I don't see a current registration and or insurance in this stack.
It's all expired.
It's all expired.
You're gonna stand right in between this door right here. I'm gonna search you one more time. Don't push against.
The suspect was taken to the detention center to complete paperwork, and within about 2 hours she faced being booked into jail and waiting for bail, all because she refused to cooperate.
You step out, you can grab your slippers here, and then I need a signature from you because I had some cash on you. We took you can take your glasses. We took $1,000.81 out of your wallet. So all of this is in here, and it's going to be transported to the jail with you.
And the bar of gold.
The bar of gold has also been accounted for. It's going to go with you as well, okay? I will need your signature right here, just so you acknowledge that we did take that from you, okay? The brown bag, it had some things in there that wasn't able to be taken to the jail, like your cigarettes. You had an adult toy in there, so we're not able to transport that.
So you have my whole wallet, my whole purse.
Your blue wallet is in here. The brown purse is going to be kept here at the office. So when you're released, you'll be able to come here and pick it up. You will need to bring your ID with you to pick it up. Okay.
So
Okay.
I'm doing like corn signs and I'll be kicked in. Nothing I can do about it.
The woman, identified as 60-year-old Lynn Hudson, was charged with resisting an officer without violence, running a stop sign, failing to provide valid insurance, DUI, and driving with expired documents. Under Florida law, she now faces multiple fines, up to $1,000 for the resistance charge, the possibility of up to 1 year in jail, and release only upon posting bail. This case reminds us that cooperation matters. Refusing lawful orders turns a simple stop into serious charges and jail time. Next, this Karen was convinced she could out-argue the police, only to end up learning an unforgettable lesson.
No. Before you even ran my tag, can I please have some space to step out of the vehicle? Be new. You must be new.
On December 24th, 2024, a patrol officer spotted a vehicle with an expired license plate and decided to pull it over for inspection. Instead of cooperating over what could have been a minor fine, the driver turned the stop into a heated argument. Here is how it unfolded.
I'm off the Sarasota Police Department.
Hello, how are you?
What's going on today?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out myself.
What are you trying to figure out?
Why you're stopping me? What have I done?
So your registration comes back to be criminally expired.
Okay.
Do you have your driver's license and registration on you?
I do, but I would like to know what it is that you stopped me for before you even ran my tags. What have I done?
So I did a routine run on your tag after you followed me nose to nose in my rear, and your tag is criminally expired. So based off your unusual behavior, I did a routine check of your tag, which came back again criminally expired. So do you have your driver's license and registration?
I do, but my problem is that I'd like to know what it is that I did wrong, because
You're driving a vehicle with a criminally expired tag.
But you would have to know that. Like, you would have to run that. So then, therefore...
Okay, let me see your driver's license and registration. I'm not going to ask again.
Okay. What I would like to know is what I did wrong before
you are driving
even...
a vehicle with a criminally expired registration. Let me see your driver's license and registration.
Okay, but I would like to know what I did beforehand, before you were even to run those tags. What is it that I...
ma'am, driver's license and registration.
Right. But I would like to know...
Driver's license and registration, ma'am.
It was clear she was trying to appear sober, but every response came slowly, and she kept questioning the officers in return, only increasing their suspicion.
So if I were to tell you no, then what? Because I would like to know...
Then you're going to be arrested for not identifying yourself during a lawful stop.
But what is it that you would have to...
Driver's license and registration.
What is it that you would have to stop me for the lawful stop?
Because you are driving a vehicle with a criminally expired registration.
No. Before you even ran my tags.
I don't have to have a reason to run your tag.
Okay. You sure about that?
100% sure, ma'am.
Okay.
It's a routine run.
Okay. Even though I didn't do anything wrong, right?
Ma'am, you're driving a vehicle with a criminally expired registration.
No. I'd like to know before you ran my tags.
Driver's license and registration,
I'd like to know before you ran...
Driver's license and registration, ma'am.
All right. So I'd like to know before you ran my tags, right?
Okay, I'm going to ask one more time. I'm going to ask one more time.
No, I'm getting myself
let's
together.
Grab it, please.
Right, and I'm getting myself together. But I'd like to know...
Okay, I will be happy to explain anything else that you would like as soon as I get your driver's license and registration.
The officer patiently explained the reason for the stop and repeatedly asked for her documents, but the woman argued over every single sentence, as if trying to stall for time and test the officer's patience.
Before you even ran my tags, there was nothing that I did wrong, right?
Driver's license, please.
No, you're going to answer that question. All right. So therefore, you don't want to answer that question?
Okay, let's grab our driver's license,
Right,
please.
you don't want to answer that question. So beforehand, there was nothing that I did wrong. All right.
Okay, are you refusing to identify yourself?
I'm sorry. No, I'm not failing to identify myself. I am identifying myself right now. Now, what I would like to know is...
You're not identifying yourself. Driver's license.
Right, and I am. So
driver's
therefore...
license, or we're going to step out of this vehicle. So
right, and we can step out of this vehicle. Now, what I would like to know is... Okay.
Let's step out of the vehicle.
All right.
Despite multiple warnings to either hand over her license and registration or be arrested for refusing to identify herself during a lawful stop, the woman still refused and even held up her phone as if it was some kind of authority, forcing the officer to pull her out of the car immediately.
Can I please have some space to step out of the vehicle?
Okay.
All right.
Be my guest, ma'am.
Thank you. May I please have some space? May I please
step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to take you out of the vehicle.
Ma'am, I am not... Okay.
We're gonna step out of the vehicle.
Okay, please. Can I? Okay, because I have this right here in my.
Perfect.
Okay, thank you. All right. May I please get my? May I?
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Thank you. You're gonna be detained for not providing your identification.
I want to provide.
I provided you ample opportunity to do so.
I want to provide, and I have video right here. I want to provide my identification. Okay, that's fine. May I please provide identification to you? No? Okay. I cannot provide it. Even though I was trying to get my identification.
We're going to stand over here.
Okay.
Face the vehicle.
Sure.
Okay.
I want to provide my identification to you.
Okay, I asked you multiple times.
Yeah, and I was trying to get that for you.
You were not.
I was digging in my wallet to identify myself, but okay, sure. Okay. Whatever you need to do in order to, I guess, go about your day.
Hey, she has a criminally expired registration. She was refusing
I literally tried to get identification, and she did not allow me to. She did not allow me to.
Even after being handcuffed, she still wasn't done with her theatrics, accusing the officers of making things difficult while insisting she was just looking for her paperwork, and even warning that she had video evidence, acting as if she understood the law, leaving the officers clearly weary of her antics.
We're not IDing ourselves. You're refusing to give any identification.
I am not. But if that's what you want to take, I have my friend right there, and I have them on the phone. And if that's what the take you want to take, I have my phone right there too. Okay. If that's the take you want to take, then by all means take it.
That's fine.
Yep. I try to provide identification. You want to take that take too? Listen,
Keep driving. Now. Keep driving.
Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Mira, no le diga, mira, no ponga atención a lo que te están diciendo. No, no le ponga atención.
Drive your vehicle.
No le ponga atención porque no estoy diciendo lo que están diciendo.
Okay, do you have anyone that can pick up this car for you? Otherwise it's going to
Right
get
there. Right
Oh,
there.
That is a single driver.
Okay, he can get other people.
Sounds like a great idea. Okay, so we're going to get the vehicle towed. Do you have anything on you that can stick me, poke me, prod me, or anything?
Pablo!
Hey, do you have anything that can stick me, poke me, prod me on you?
When I try to provide identification, you're going to take me to jail?
A friend of the suspect quickly arrived to take the vehicle, but she kept arguing non-stop like a broken radio repeating the same line. Why are you doing this? Meanwhile, officers continued following standard procedure to search her and the car, which only made her explode in anger.
Okay, I'm going to ask you again too. Why are you doing this? Is it for numbers because it's the end of the year? Is that why?
I don't have numbers. Can you take your shoe off, please?
No, you're one of those.
We're going to leave the car. Kick your foot back.
I'm not doing shit because I haven't done shit. Pablo, pero no he hecho nada. Can he take my car? Like, I haven't done anything. I tried to give her identification.
Take the shoe off.
She's on a power trip. How are none of you listening to this? You really want to do this when I try to give you my identification? You must be new.
I gave you ample opportunity.
No, you must be new. You must be new. You must be new. You look new.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Lean
look
back so I can
new.
get your seatbelt on.
For what?
Lean back so I can get your seatbelt on.
For what? Exactly. For what? For what? Identification? Be real. Be fun.
As officers checked her wallet and belongings, she grew visibly uneasy, asking to pass her items to a friend and requesting a supervisor, showing how reluctant she was about the continued search of her vehicle.
Do I really have to go to jail when I was trying to give you identification?
Would you like your phone or anything to go with you to the jail?
Please, but I don't want to go to jail. Like, I haven't done anything.
Okay, what do you want to go with you to the jail?
So I'm going to jail?
I'm not going to ask one more time. Either tell me or we're going to go without any belongings.
What have I done?
So, you don't want anything to go with you to jail?
I want my phone. Can I have my wallet go to him? But like...
Nope, it's going to get towed with the vehicle. We're not giving anything to him. So again, would you like your wallet to go with you to the jail as well? Or just your phone?
My wallet can go too, but what did I do wrong when I was trying to give... So what about my car? Where can I get my car from?
It's going to get towed.
Sir? Sir?
I'm pretty sure that's a
May I please speak to him before I go to jail?
Yeah.
Sir? May I please speak to him before I go to jail? I haven't done anything wrong.
I already answered that.
But I haven't... Why are you searching through my stuff?
It's going with you to the jail, and anything that goes in my vehicle has to get searched.
So I asked you if he... No. So then therefore, can he have it? Because I What? Can he have it? I really do not appreciate you going through my stuff. Okay, well, I'm asking you if he can have it. I don't want you going through my stuff.
Okay, so again, I gave you the option.
Okay, but you did not give me the option of you going through my stuff. I did not know that. So then therefore, can he have it? Can he have my stuff? I do not want you going through my stuff. I did not give you right to go through my stuff. So therefore, can he have my stuff so you do not go through my stuff? Can I have a sergeant out here, please?
If you like a sergeant.
Yes. May I have a sergeant out here, please?
Sure.
Mayor, whoever you need to get out here, but anyone, no, like you're still going through my stuff when I've asked you to please give it to him. I do not want you to go through my stuff. I did not ask for that.
Okay, so...
No,
If you're getting
no.
arrested, your stuff is gonna get checked one way or another.
That's okay, but I did not ask you to go through my stuff. You did not ask to go through my stuff either. So therefore, may Mayor or Sergeant come here because you are going through my stuff now. I am not okay with that. I did not consent for you to go through my stuff.
She wants the mayor.
I did not consent for you to go through my stuff. I did not consent for you to go through my stuff.
Officers found a medical marijuana card in her wallet and explained that checking her belongings was part of the intake procedure before detention. She continued crying and insisting she was being arrested for no reason, but it was already far too late.
Going through my stuff and now you are taking pictures when I have asked you to not go through my stuff.
Of your ID that you failed to provide. Yeah.
No, that is not my ID at all.
Well, it's a medical marijuana card.
You are not, that is not my ID though. That is not my ID at all. So therefore you have taken things from me and you have taken things like, no.
It's called search and seizure.
No, I did not consent to that.
You're under arrest.
But I'm under arrest for obstruction. Like I did not do anything, and yeah, but they are literally arresting me for something that I did not do. I'm not obstructing to anything. I did not obstruct to any kind of information. I tried to give her my information.
Just hang tight. Alright, the sergeant's gonna meet you down at the jail, okay?
No.
The driver was charged with 2 primary offences: driving under the influence, DUI, and resisting or obstructing an officer without violence, along with additional citations for operating a vehicle with an expired registration. This case reminds us that arguing with police never ends well. Cooperation can prevent a simple stop from turning into criminal charges. Next, let's see how these Gen Z Barbie dolls end up regretting their playful arrogance.
Miss. Is not acceptable. The law requires that you.
On May 21st, 2023, Officer Robert Alvatore spotted a 2009 Dodge Caliber swerving between lanes, prompting him to follow and pull the vehicle over immediately. What he didn't expect was that this seemingly routine stop would spiral into chaos involving 2 young women.
Hey, how are you? Just have a driver's license, registration, proof of insurance with you. I'm sorry?
Both of us?
Yeah, if you got yours, sure.
He's late.
I'm sorry?
I think insurance.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. Like, I don't get pulled over. I don't know where my
Registration ID. Insurance, registration, and license.
They gave me my license.
I have your passenger's license, I believe.
I mean, I have a picture of
I have yours. What do you have a ticket for there? You're holding a ticket in your hand. Is that yours?
Yeah, I gave this ticket. I just haven't cleaned my car. Don't judge me.
Okay.
As he approached, the driver fumbled for paperwork while holding an old ticket, and both women seemed unsure about their registration, insurance, and ID, instantly raising the officer's suspicion that something bigger was going on.
How much does you have to drink today?
I had nothing. I'm literally
You're the passenger in the vehicle, so I'm not too concerned. I'm concerned with...
yeah.
Have you had anything to drink today? Any illegal drugs? Any... Just alcohol?
Yes, I had 2 drinks.
2 drinks? Okay. How's your license?
What?
How's your license? Are you suspended? Anything like that?
Oh, no.
No? Alright. Do me a favor, turn the key off and just throw the keys up on the dashboard for me, alright? I'm gonna go double check your license and I'll be right back with you. Alright, Karina, step out of the car for me.
Why?
Because I want to talk to you on the side of the road. Probably
You know
get
what? Drive home.
What do you mean?
I didn't drink anything.
Alright, that's fine, but...
I could take a
so
test. I could do anything you want. I just haven't.
The only issue I have is, the reason why I'm stopping you guys in the first place is, when you were coming over the bridge, I noticed that you guys were failing to maintain your lane. I saw you guys laughing and joking, but as I continue to follow you guys down the hot...
No, listen.
We'll cross that bridge when we get there. The other issue is you handed me a driver's license that says you're not 21 until next year.
I'm 24 years old. So
no, the driver did.
No, I'm 24 years old.
So right now I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle so we can talk on the side of the road.
When asked about alcohol, the driver claimed she'd had only 2 drinks, yet her license showed she wasn't even 21. It was the first red flag, and the officer immediately ordered both women out of the vehicle.
How long ago did you guys leave Donovan's?
30 minutes ago.
30 minutes ago? How much did you really have to drink?
Fisher on this too. She really got me.
Really got you. Alright.
They got me.
So, like I said, I stopped you because the whole way down the highway, you're not maintaining your lane. Ma'am, stay in the car.
Ma'am, stay in the car.
Stay in the car. Stay in.
Miss, get in the car. Sit back over here.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm new to this. I'm like way too...
That's alright.
Do you have ID? Yes, of course.
I'm on medication right now.
I just need to see your ID.
That's why I didn't drive. Hold on, Danny. I'm trying to find myself. Relax. I just keep...
Right, can you hang up the phone?
Yeah. Actually, it's my boyfriend. I'm going to put him on speaker if you don't mind.
No, you can hang up the phone.
I'm going to put it on speaker. Thank you.
As the driver stepped out and admitted she'd just left a beachfront bar, officers began sobriety tests while her friend repeatedly interrupted, forcing the female officer to warn her multiple times to stay in the car.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, just stand over here.
Here?
Yep, right there. Perfect. Do you have a shirt that you want to put on?
Oh, God. I guess I do have a shirt.
Hang on, don't. No. Just. Is it that pink one?
That's a dress.
Okay, can you just. Alright.
Wait. Do it.
Hang on. No, stand back over there. Let's see if we can get you a shirt. This way you're not cold.
Sweatshirt, of course.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah, this way you're not cold.
For thinking.
Alright, just stand right here. You see where this pink is? This pink letters or orange letters? Just stand right there.
And do what? I'm sorry.
Alright. Why don't you put the sweatshirt on?
Oh, inside. I'm sorry.
It's alright.
I'm like, God damn, I gotta put myself together. I'm like, outside sweatshirt. I'm sorry. Okay.
Alright. Do you have any issues with your legs? Do you have any medical conditions that affect your balance? Any injuries? Any back injuries?
God, I hope not.
Yes, ma'am. Have you been injured?
I don't know. I've been taking medication to see what the fuck is wrong with me.
Okay.
I mean, like blood work and stuff. But I don't think anything with my legs other than like my knee and my joints. I don't know if
That's perfectly fine.
Okay.
So what I want you to do is just stand where you are with your feet together and your hands on your side. Alright?
During the test briefing, she moved slowly, struggled to keep her balance, and couldn't focus on the instructions, while her constant giggling only made the situation worse.
I'm like, let's take it. I want the time.
Do you understand the test?
I get it.
Alright, you get one right.
6 inches. Is that like 6 inches? Oh my god, maybe.
Want me to explain to you?
You know what I remembered? Gym class, like, took a look at this. Okay.
Miss, what's your name?
Karina.
Karina? Karina?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
I want you to pay attention very closely to what he's telling you to do. Okay? And I want you to do only that. So I want you to look, okay? So this is what he said, right? So you're going to stand here with your feet together like this, toes pointed forward. You see how my hands are? You see how they're down by my side? I want you to keep your hands at your side, touching the sides of your legs. All right. Then you're going to extend your foot. You're going to extend your foot straight out in front of you, keeping your foot parallel to the ground.
Great explainer. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
that's okay. So I just want you to watch what I'm doing. Okay, I don't want you to do it yet. All right. You're going to stand with your foot parallel to the ground. Ma'am, just stay in the car. Okay.
I'm sorry.
I'm looking for my license.
That's okay. That's okay. It's fine. All right, ma'am, just stay in your car.
I'm gonna say
Okay, just stay in the car.
Karina's friend grew restless and repeatedly inserted herself into the test, making the situation increasingly tense.
Out in front of you, foot parallel to the ground.
I'm sorry.
So, let's start from the beginning. All right. So I want you to start from the starting position. Ma'am, I need you to, ma'am, I need you to come to the back of the car. Ma'am, I need you to stay in the car.
I'm sure you.
We are on a highway. No, I need you to stay in the car. We're on a highway, okay? Miss, come on.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Sorry.
So from here, all right, do you have any questions about that test? All right, remember, arms at your side, down your side, foot extended in front of you, foot parallel to the ground when I tell you to begin.
Okay.
All right?
I'm ready.
Okay, you may begin.
1,000 to 1,000 to 1,000 1,000 5 1,000 8 1,000 11 12
Karina kept fumbling and losing focus, forcing the officer to repeat instructions, while her friend used pain as an excuse to leave the car. Both women now testing the officer's patience with non-stop antics.
Just during the test, make sure you touch heel to toe and you keep your hands at your side.
Miss, I need you to stay in the car.
No, I am. There is somebody coming
Okay.
for me.
All right, just
I am gonna stay in the car.
okay, just stay in the car. Okay, that's fine.
I'm sorry.
That's fine.
I
Just stay in the
wanna
car.
leave. Can I hold my hand out the window? Is that okay?
Yeah, let's just close the car door. Okay, you can stay with the window open. Did you understand the instructions? So I want to make sure you stay in the car.
I just want to witness it.
Okay, no, you have to stay in the car.
No, I want to witness it.
You need to stay in the car.
but I'm hearing what you're saying, and I need to witness the.
Okay, do you realize that by interfering with motor vehicle stop and
If
we're
you
doing
wanna
that, we can
arrest
also
me-
arrest you for obstruction? So
Okay,
please get
do you
back into
wanna
the car.
arrest me?
I really don't. I want you to get into the car.
I just want to see
So
what's
then I
going on.
need you to get into the
Listen,
vehicle.
I'm in pain. I can't sit. Can I stand? Can I
I
stand
need you to
here?
get into the vehicle.
Please.
I need you to get into the
There's
vehicle.
somebody 5
Miss,
minutes away.
I need you to get into
Can
the
I
vehicle.
stand up
Miss,
and-
I need you to get into the vehicle and
Can I
stay in the
stand
vehicle.
here? Can I
Miss,
stand?
I need you to get into the vehicle and stay in the vehicle.
I'm begging
Miss, I need
you.
you
I'm
to get
begging
in.
you for
Miss,
letting me
I
stand.
need you to get into the vehicle and stay in the vehicle. We are on a highway.
I understand.
Okay, I need you to
Listen,
please get into the vehicle.
I'm not trying to
Miss,
arrest you. I'm not.
Miss, I'm not
Listen,
gonna.
what's your name?
I'm not gonna tell you again. Please get into the vehicle.
Okay.
Miss,
I respect you. I
please
respect
get into
you
the
a lot.
vehicle. Please get into the vehicle.
Can you
Stay into the
please hear
vehicle.
me out?
Do not leave the
I'm
vehicle
not going to-
until we tell you to leave the vehicle.
Can
Do
you
you
one
understand that?
second? 1 second.
Okay. I have to finish what she's doing, and then I will come back and talk to you.
While Karina showed every sign of failing the test, Olivia insisted on standing outside the car, whining in pain and crying until officers were forced to make her sit for safety on the busy highway.
Karina, what's your highest level of education?
I'm a sophomore in college.
Okay, so it's fair to say that you know the English alphabet from A to Z, correct? Do you know the alphabet?
Yeah.
All right. This is. Do me a favor. Stand once again, feet together, hands at your side. All right.
I know.
You have to, miss.
This is my mom's car.
Okay, miss.
sit here.
But listen.
I don't care.
No, miss.
I'm in pain. I
Miss.
need to stand up.
Miss.
I'm
Okay.
in pain.
Miss.
I understand. I'm not trying
Okay.
to disrespect you.
Listen.
Turn it off.
Miss.
I'm in
You
a
need
lot
to
of
calm
pain.
down. You cannot just run out of a vehicle on a motor
Listen.
vehicle stop until we allow you to
I
go.
understand.
Miss.
I will stand wherever you want me to.
Listen.
But I need to stand up.
Listen.
I cannot sit. I cannot
Miss.
sit. If you're not listening to me, I'm a fucking nurse. I need to stand. So tell me where to stand. I will stand wherever you want me to. But I cannot sit in that car. I will stand there. I will stand there. I will stand anywhere. Please let me stand. Anywhere.
You need to understand.
I understand
Okay,
everything you're saying.
No, you have not, because you have not listened to a thing I have said.
I will listen
So
to you.
if we go back to the car, once you're free to leave, I will allow you to leave with your boyfriend, okay? But you
I
cannot
know.
just run out of a vehicle
Okay.
when you are on a motor vehicle stop. You are
I'm
not allowed to
sorry,
just
but
do
can
that.
I please,
Okay?
can you let me stand?
Okay.
Please.
You need to listen to me.
I will listen to you, but can you please let
Okay.
me stand up? That's all I'm asking. I don't need to. I will stand by the car.
Olivia kept interfering, asking to get out, calling for her boyfriend and standing in the roadway, forcing officers to warn that she would be arrested if she continued.
I'm going to let you take her because I'm afraid that she's going to next run and cross the highway.
I'm not going to cross the highway.
Okay.
I understand.
But that's why I'm nervous of because she has not listened to anything that we have said this entire time, and she's been very belligerent. Okay. I want her to be safe. I want her to get out of here. I think she does still have belongings in that car. I cannot let you take those until we're done with what we're doing. So if you want to hang out right here, okay, that's fine. All right.
Listen,
but she can't. She's not going to be. If she gets into this vehicle,
if she wants doctor's notes, I will give it to her.
You either need to get into this vehicle or get back into that vehicle.
So let me get my belongings.
You need to get into this vehicle or you need to get into that vehicle, but those are your two options. You cannot stand outside the car.
Am I being arrested? Am I being arrested?
If you keep interfering, I can arrest you. I don't want to do that. So please get into the vehicle.
Can I not get my belongings?
Get into the vehicle and we will get your belongings for you. I cannot have you running back and forth across this highway.
I'm not going to. I'm going to stay right here.
Next thing I'm going to do is I am going to arrest you if you don't get into this car. Okay?
No. Get in the car. Come on.
Listen to your boyfriend and get into the car.
You're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Just sit down and relax.
Lock the doors, please keep in there.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You guys are next course. Just something outside, drop the stuff off the road.
Put your jacket on.
Yeah, we can. First, I have to know I just break. You can clear that out, lower course.
Put your hands on that. Because you're under arrest.
Karina kept losing control, miscounting, stumbling, and failing every instruction. The test was a complete failure, and officers moved to detain her immediately. But at the station, the young woman was far from finished with her antics.
Do you have anything in your car that you're going to need? Cell phone, wallet?
Everything.
Alright, we'll grab some stuff for you.
No, I'm not okay with the black. Oh my god.
Alright.
I cannot believe that.
Alright, let's go. Oh, thanks, dude. Alright. But no, unfortunately not. This is their building. We got to play by their rules, alright? So, real quick, just because I might ask you some incriminating questions coming forward, we gotta read you your Miranda warning.
Pay attention.
Alright, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to.
I have done this, like.
Nope, it does not move. Pay attention, let him do his thing.
Just
pay attention, alright?
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any...
The processing dragged on for hours. Karina refused the breath test and kept laughing and acting dismissively toward the officers, only adding more charges to an already serious situation.
Your answer is not acceptable. The law requires that you...
Oh my god, it was a trick question.
It's the paperwork. He has to read it to you.
That's a trick fucking question.
Your answer...
Let him go. Let him finish the paperwork.
Your answer is not acceptable. The law requires that you submit samples of your breath for breath testing. If you do not answer or answer with anything other than yes, I will charge you with the refusal. Now I ask you again, will you submit to breath testing?
Karina was charged with driving under the influence, refusing a chemical breath test, reckless driving, lane violations, and following too closely. Her disruptive behavior both on the roadside and during processing resulted in additional penalties and significantly harsher consequences under state law. Youth doesn't shield you from consequences. One reckless choice behind the wheel can turn your future into fines, charges, and lasting regret. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this video. Please support our channel by subscribing, hit like and share so you won't miss more incredible real-life moments every day.